relationship is in two types. A ship that wrecks, moha based, and a ship that takes you across. That ship is being mentioned by Lord Krishna. Arjuna is pointing towards that just like mother forgives her son, brother, husband, wife, mutually. Similarly, may you forgive my weaknesses. In brief, what I'm bringing out is this divine love that has diffused in all relationships. If your mind is on a healthy way, you begin to taste the divine love. All the love you received of your mother should turn your mind to God. All the love you received from your father should bring you towards God. So if all relations become much more cute, cozy, if they are promoting love of God. But if they don't succeed in promoting that, then you are in a shipwreck. But that's a very advanced ideal. But no matter how advanced, little steps can be taken toward